All right, we're gonna try and do this repairability test and replace this shingle and see if the roof is too old for repairing. All right, here we go. For Mr. Tommy Rhodes, by the way. Here's the wind lifted shingle we're gonna try to replace. This is not working good. This one's ripping. That one's ripping too. Goodness gracious, what's wrong with this thing? Oh my gosh. Bro. I'm not gonna go too much further, but to prove a point. Jeez Louise. I can't, I can just, bro, it is tearing this thing up completely. Heck, bro, this shingle is not happening. This one came up. I still got to go up a whole nother row to get this off. Yeah. I'm gonna stop. Go ahead. We're gonna. If you want, you can bring that camera over here just to see. I'm trying to. I'll do a little bit more so you can see how gentle I'm being, and then we'll take some close-up photos. But this is all just ripping up as I'm trying to get the shingle off. It's taking, look, it's taking the old other shingle off. This is wild. Can't even, it's like ripping this part. Oh. All right, look, this is crazy. I'm gonna tarp this up. Please advise on the next steps and I'll take up some close-up photos. Thank you.